It's my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 168 Chinese shopping app plus Alipay payment. And in today's video, you will learn how to place orders securely on 1688 plus Alipay Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, it's going to open up like so. Next thing you want to do is to check on the product that you want to actually place order with. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to do that. One of the first ways to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for in the search bar right here. You are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can use this camera icon right here. When you click on this camera icon right here, it allows you to upload product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. After you are able to find the product you are looking for, that is next thing you have to, so it's that simple. Or alternatively, you can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different product is going to load up right here on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So however, in this tutorial, I have the product I want to use as an example right here on my profile. So what I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on my profile right here. Then from my profile section right here, what I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here right here. So I'm going to click on that. So click on here. Then it's taking me right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to select the product right here. So this is the product I'm going to use as an example right here. So what I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on the product link, and it's going to open up like so. So once it's opened up like so, next thing I need to do is to scroll down and check the product detail, check the store, and check the rating of about the product. The more you scroll down, the more you see different product picture, as the case may be. However, this depends on the number of the product picture that has been uploaded by the supplier. So once you're satisfied with everything about the product, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and place your order. For you to place the order, what you want to do is to simply click on here to proceed. So I'm going to click on here now. And it's going to take us right here, whereby we need to choose the color, the size, and the quantity we want from this section right here. Okay. However, so here, this is where we need to choose the quantity. So right here from this product right here, I have to swipe this way. So I need this particular one right here. Then next thing you want to do is to choose the quantity you want. Then you have to come down below right here. So I need just 3 pieces of this. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. So just like so, we have added 3. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed. That's going to take you to the payment options right here. So right here, as at the time of making this video, I'm using my Alipay. You can see Alipay has been checked right here. And I'm paying the sum of 9.50 yen to purchase these 3 sets of the goods. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then allow the Alipay to connect successfully. So it's going to take you right here. Then from the 3 options right here, make sure that your Alipay is checked. So once your Alipay is checked, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and enter your payment password to complete the payment. So I'm going to click on here now to enter my payment password. So payment done successful. Now after you have done the payment successful, next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to check the products that you just paid for with your Alipay, and you're going to see it right here, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 168 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idovish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.